Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this commercial ice maker that this man sent to me for this video. And the first thing that you may be asking yourself is, why is this guy, it's outside in the outdoors in his patio? So there is a reason for that, and it's something that you need to check before getting this ice maker. The most important thing will be to check and double check if anything in your house, like your kitchen faucets, your bathroom faucets, or the connection that goes to the dishwasher, or the water vending that you have on your fridge or something like that, will support this ice maker, because in my case it didn't. That was a surprise to me because I thought it was going to be something super easy, but it's not hard at all to install. You just need to make sure that any of your house faucets will kind of like be proper for this installation, which I'm going to show you how to connect it in a few seconds, showing you the back of it. But that's the most important thing. Just double check that you will have what is properly the faucets on either your kitchen or your bathroom or your garage or something like that, that you're going to be able to connect this to the water supply. Let's talk about this ice maker for a minute before I showed it on a close-up so you can see the display, and I show you the back so you can see the connection as well. It is quite big, I have to say. It has like a 32-inch, but this is a commercial style ice maker. It's not just like a countertop ice maker. It's not a small kind of like kitchen ice maker. This thing is super powerful. This thing is gonna give you 100 pounds of ice every 24 hours. So you can collect 100 pounds of ice every day, which to me is crazy. It's gonna make you 20, kind of like the storage. It has 29 pounds of storage. So whenever it reaches the 29 pounds of ice, it will stop. So you will have to make sure that you're gonna be collecting the ice in that case. That's why it's a commercial style ice maker. And also every 15 minutes is gonna give you 45 pieces of ice. So I think that's insane. I have to say that for a house, it could be great for having it for like a bar, like a restaurant, like an office, a small office or something like that. But if you have this in your house, it will be awesome, because if you're hosting a party or just like a gathering, or I don't know, like a small wedding or something like that, having this machine will be super, super good. So as you can see out here, it's made of stainless steel, so it's super easy to clean. Here's the compartment that you're gonna see for all the ice. It is super, super big, as you can see. Here's the display. I'm gonna show it to you in a close-up when it's on in a few seconds. Super easy to use and super easy to clean as well. And in here, you're gonna find two things. Right here, this is gonna be your water supply. And by the way, you can actually connect this female right here. This is gonna be the one that you have to connect. This is the one that I don't have inside my house. So make sure to have this proper connection. And this is gonna be the drainage. So this is gonna be to your sink or any other place that you wanna kind of like have the water going out of the machine. And for sure, the power cable, we're gonna connect it right now. So we have it connected and filling with water already right here outdoors in my patio, as I was telling you before, and it's on right now. It's fairly quiet, I have to say. It's not super loud, so that's really, really good. And also in here, you're gonna find the power for on and off. You're also gonna find the different modes, which, by the way, this one comes with an auto clean function, which I think it's fantastic. And then you're also gonna find the time for a timer. You can have it 12 hours, 8 hours, 6 hours, whatever you want. You can have it all day or just half day. And also you're gonna find the size of the nuggets, because these cubes, actually not nuggets but cubes, have three different sizes, three different thickness in millimeters. So that's actually really, really good. So we're gonna put it to make some ice right now. I don't think that you can actually see too much of the display right here because it's super bright out here, but you have the number right here, which is gonna tell you the time and also the function, and these are all the different functions and sizes right here. So we're gonna put it to make some ice and come back when it's fairly done or halfway there. By the way, of course, comes with the instruction and operational manual, which is super, super easy to follow. You're not gonna find any issues with that. And also this kind of like shovel for scooping the ice, which I think it's also really good. And you don't have to forget about that one. I had a spare one, so I did not use this one, but you don't need to forget that one to connect it to the water supply on the back of the ice maker. So it's been about like 15-20 minutes, I want to say, and oh my god, look at this. Look at all these ice that we have over here. Look at how much we have tons of ice right here. As I was saying before, this is kind of like every 15 minutes is gonna make 45 pieces of ice. So as I was saying before, this has been like 15 or 20 minutes, and you can see how much ice you have. And by the way, keep in mind that we are outdoors right now, so these are more keen to melt a little bit faster because we are outdoors. But as I was saying before, if you kind of like make sure that your connection is a proper connection inside your house, this will not melt so easily. Still, these are not melt at all. Actually, These are so cool. Well, it's been an hour. Let me check this out. Yeah, this is amazing. Look at how much ice. This is, oh my God, this is a huge amount of ice. I was not expecting this to have so much ice right here. Let me actually show you. Yeah, again, this is huge. Like, look at how much ice you have after just 1 hour. This is, I think it was kind of like an hour and 10 minutes, I think so, no more than that. But again, this is super, super convenient. So again, excuse me, but this thing is really, really cool. I'm gonna actually pour myself a drink right here. But bottom line is that if you have a restaurant, a bar, a store, or just like hosting a party at your house or something like that, this thing is super, super convenient job. Not only it's super fast, as I was telling you before, it's gonna make you 100 pounds of ice every day, and store is gonna be 29 pounds of ice inside here. So you kind of like make that into account. But then after like every 15 minutes, it's gonna make you 45 pieces of ice with 3 different thickness. It comes with auto clean. It's made of stainless steel on the outside. Give me just a second, please. This is so refreshing. As I was saying before, it comes with the auto clean function and the stainless steel on the outside, and also the display right here. But you gotta make sure that your house connection, or the place that you're gonna put this, the water supply, it's properly for kind of like arranged for this type of connection on the ice maker. Other than that, this thing is a must-have for those situations that I told you. Tons of ice, really easy to use, really easy to clean as well, and of course super convenient to have. I'm gonna give it a huge thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and let me show you one more time. It's crazy. I'll see you soon.